Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two CRM platform for business, which is Zendesk and Agile CRM. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Zendesk, Zendesk is a powerhouse choice if you want a polished AI power platform that handle both customer support and sales in one place. It offers clean workflow, great automation, and a modern experience, which make it ideal for growing teams that need reliable ticketing and service tools. The downside is that it's more expensive and can feel heavy for smaller business. I'm talking about Agile CRM. On the other hand, it's pocket-friendly, all-in-one option with sales, marketing, and service tools under one roof. It's simpler, easier to start with, and perfect for smaller teams that want automation without the enterprise price tag. But its interface is dated and its features aren't as deep or scalable as Zendesk. So in my opinion, choose Zendesk for power and scalability, or go with Agile CRM for simplicity and affordability. And that's it. I find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.